Irio, what are we doing today?
We are hiking up to the Crags.
Okay, I'm right here. I've got my little chest thing on. We'll see how this works today, okay? Well, we're not the only people that had this idea today. Parking lot's pretty full. We had to park up the road a ways. And got a nice little facilities at the trailhead. And Crags Trail, Devil's Playground, Pikes Peak Summit. I don't think we're going to do that. But we're going to do, I think we're going to go ahead and do Crags Trail. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, and we start out with, is this what they said? It was a little steep, the very first.
Yep. You're welcome.
Trail 664 and 753. Yeah, this is just that first part of the Crags Trail, and boy, this is gorgeous. Well, you can see I'm hands-free because I got the headset on. Oh, look at that area. Well, we're coming up. Looks like we're gonna make a turn off to the left up here. And through the trees, we can start seeing some of the mountains. Still got snow. It's, what, June 8th? Yeah. Saturday, June 8th. This is our first real hike of the year.
It's the mountain to the right of Pikes Peak. And to the north.
Wow. I hope I'm capturing this. Well, you can hear the stream bubbling down in the distance. So it's kind of flattened out a little bit.
Yeah.
Looks like
The campground.
or something, yeah.
Crash ground.
Okay, so what do we got here? Looks like another trail went down. Oh, I wonder if that doesn't go down to the campground
That's
itself.
possible.
Okay. And here we're going to split.
Yep, we're gonna hang
Devil's
left.
Playground, Pikes Peak. We're not doing that today.
No, Devil's Playground.
Here's your little aspen.
Yep. Leaves aren't quite long enough to do what I like them to do.
They're not waving at you saying hi. That's chilly. A nice little meadow for us. Okay, up there. Now, we are not going to climb all the way to the top of those. We're going to go up to them. At least I don't think we're going to climb up there. So, you said these are little pussy willows. I'm not quite sure what they are, but if anybody is watching the video, do you know what this stuff is? That's a tree. I know that.
Evergreen.
Don't be smart.
Like the bushes protecting those three.
Yeah. They're just starting to bud out. Then we got some flowers down here. Little white flowers. Looks like summer has finally decided to show its face. But we are up at about 10,000 feet, I think. We've walked up high enough that the aspen are not quite showing their leaves. Looks like they have some buds on them, but amazing what a couple 100 feet in elevation will do at 10,000 plus feet.
He's on this trip too.
That's right. It's not just all about area. I'm up here too. Well, we got some craggy looking rocks over here, people. Howdy, folks.
Hi there.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
I just think that's such a
Hi there.
that may work for
Well,
you.
there's your tree area
Oh,
up here.
okay. Yeah, it's growing out of the rock. There must be some dirt in there somewhere. Looks like we're gonna be climbing quite a bit.
Climbing again now.
Yep.
All right, the easy part's
We're
over.
at 10.5 and we've got 10.8.
All right. Oh, we've come out of the meadows and back into the forest. Kind of like this. The meadows were nice. And now we got some shade. Got this creek, and of course you can hear the wind in the trees. So the trail picks up in steepness again. You can see towards the top. Wow. Oh, it opens right up. Here's the last push. It looks like we've reached either the end or almost the end of the crags area. Are we-
Yeah, we still got a ways to go.
Look at that.
That's awesome.
See that we kind of made it up here. It's gorgeous. Wow. That's a bit of a hike.
Yeah, and we're not done.
All right, we gotta go that way. So we're not at the top yet, but I think that's the Sangre de Cristos way out here. I'm not sure if anybody can see that. And then Pikes Peak, a portion of it's right there. I imagine the peak itself is back that way. But we have, we've climbed up a long ways, especially this last little trek. Looks like we're going up there. Hey, was it worth it?
Yes, it was.
Took us an hour and a half.
Yep.
On that. So we're heading down from the crags now. We've got the chest cam on. We'll see what that's like as we go through. We're headed down anyway, so see what sort of image stabilization we get. Whoa, there will be no falling on our you-know-what. We still got a lot of snow on the north facing over here. Getting a few more clouds. I think we came up here at the right time. All right, I'm gonna run down this one. Dun dun dun. Crags Trail runner. Yeah, image stabilize this.